sir, it is a very, very important march, and we thank you, press, for being here with us. It is very important because this is about not only animal rights but also human rights. Okay, animals are individuals just like us. They deserve freedom, they deserve shelter, they deserve food, they deserve a space to sleep, and we are also the same. They feel the same as us, we feel the same as them. Their pain and our pain is not any different. So it's a very, very important protest because we are only requesting the government to let us work together with unison. We have solutions. I am an animal rights activist for so many years. I am a rescue volunteer for the last 40 plus years. We are only doing this. So many of us are doing the same thing. We are doing from our own resources, our own time. We are doing whatever we can for the animals. We don't want dogs on the street. We don't want anyone to get bitten. We don't want anyone to get rabies. We are also human. We work with dogs every day. Okay, so we are taking precautions. We take injections. We are not asking the whole public to take injections. But during Corona, what did we do? If you have to do it, you do it. If you encounter some animal, you do it. There is nothing wrong. Take an injection, you will be fine. Okay, there is no big periya issue. You just have to find a sensible solution, and countries all over the world, including cities like Chennai, Jaipur, Goa, and many Nepal and many places have implemented sterilization, where the population has come down and almost there are no dogs in these places, in Leh, Ladakh and many places, and in the foreign countries. People are asking why there are no dogs in the foreign countries. Because they have resources. They have used it effectively. Even India has resources, sir. We have the money. We cannot say we are a third world country. We are a developing nation. We have a good economy and a growing economy. We have the funds. What we need is will, political will and people's will also. People's cooperation also. The media has unnecessarily sensationalized the issue. I'm not referring to your channel, but I'm saying it's become a herd mentality, Madhuri. We have solutions. We want the government to talk to us and let us explain. They also know. They have the infrastructure. They have the pounds. But if you go and see, none of those places are in working condition. Whereas in our private clinic, not my private clinic, any veterinary doctor's private clinic, it is functional and doing a very effective job. We are going to them because we trust them and they are doing a good job and effective job. So the solution is there. Nobody wants dogs to suffer on the streets. We also want everybody to be happy and peaceful. All we are asking is that there should be peace and harmony and order. We are India, we are Bharat Desh, the land of Ahimsa. Okay? In our constitution, we have a right to feed animals. We have a right to take care of animals. Our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, himself said, feed the animals during Corona. He himself has taken so many pictures with animals. He is an animal person, animal lover. So we want to request him and all the people who are opposing this to kindly let us please for a minute stop and think, and there are solutions. Why can't we look for solutions? We are in 2025. Why are we behaving as if we are in some barbaric country? We have science, we have technology, we have every resources, we have funds, so we can utilize it effectively. We just need sensibility. We need science, and all this is proven. We don't need rabid emotions. It is not the dogs that are rabid. Right now, the hysteria is being created. It is people who are becoming rabid. And mind you, rabies is an illness. Even the dog is not a monster or a rakshas. That dog, whoever might have got rabies, that dog was bitten. So he is suffering, he or she is suffering, and that is why this is happening. If we sterilize and vaccinate all the dogs, there won't be any problem. All the states and cities have already proved it. So what is the reason? We don't want to be here. We also have our lives. We are also busy. For the safety, vaccinate and sterilize, sir. When you vaccinate and sterilize dogs, they don't do this. When you feed, vaccinate and sterilize in a responsible manner, they don't do this. None of us are getting bitten by dogs. We work with dogs every day. Every day we are picking up dogs, puppies and all, even goats. By the way, it is not only dogs that can get rabies. Okay, cats, monkeys, every animal can get, rats can get. So, if you eliminate all the dogs and throw them somewhere far away in some pound or something, it's not a shelter, it's called a pound. They want to remove them and throw them somewhere. It will not solve the rabies issue. It will not solve the safety issue. Okay, we will have public health problems. We will have monkeys coming. We will have rats coming. Monkeys also you can catch to some extent, sir. How will you catch rats? Okay, how will we handle it? We will not be able to deal with this crisis. It will become a very serious public health issue that people don't realize. You can see the dog, so you want to blame the dog. But can you see the rat? How many rats can you catch? We can't. So we have to understand that there is a sensible solution to this, and we just need to apply our mind to it. That's the main thing. And when we come to safety, what about our safety, sir? What about our own human safety? What about the safety of women? What about the safety of children? What about the safety of men? Is that problem solved in our country? No. So let us not talk about only one case and not talk about others. We have to. It should be holistic. It should cover all aspects. That's what I want to say. My name is Sumita Pai, sir. I live in Chennai. I'm an animal caregiver and I'm also a human rights activist and a climate activist. Thank you for talking to me. Thank you.
I can speak. Okay. So my name is Arna De, and I am from People for Animals, Menka Gandhi's organization. And I have been into this field of animal welfare for many years. And I have seen how strongly ABC 2023 rules has helped curbing rabies from India. And it has been a law, a legal thing which is going on around. And suddenly the Supreme Court has given this one ruling which is changing the entire law, the safety of the community dogs. And we are against that ruling which has come against the community dogs. We want our dogs to be in the India like they used to be always here. And we want to safeguard their right. I am an animal welfare activist and animal right activist, and I cannot let my community dogs go just because a Supreme Court ruling has come against them. Okay, so the only ruling which will work for animals is sterilize, vaccinate, and do not relocate them, because these animals hold the territory for others. And they do not let unvaccinated, unsterilized dogs coming in the territory, and they safeguard us. They are our assets. We cannot just throw them away from the city. We cannot just throw them away from life. They have all the rights just as humans. That's it.
For dogs, our Indies, our pride, our Indies, our pride.
அன்பு காட்டு விலங்குகளிடத்தில் அன்பு காட்டு.
விலங்குகளுக்கு அன்பு காட்டு. அப்பாவி இரக்கமோ நமது மொழி, இரக்கமோ நமது மொழி. நாய்களோ அப்பாவி, நாய்களோ அப்பாவி. இரக்கமோ நமது மொழி, இரக்கமோ நமது. நாங்கள் எப்பவும் இணைவோம், நாங்கள் எப்பவும் இணைவோம். நாய்களின் வாழ்க்கை முக்கியம், நாய்களின் வாழ்க்கை முக்கியம். ஒவ்வொரு உயிரும் ஒலிக்கும், எங்கள் குரல் ஒலிக்கும். நாய்களுக்கும் நீதி வேண்டும், நாய்களுக்கும் நீதி வேண்டும். அப்பாவி நாய்களே, நாய்களுக்கும் நீதி வேண்டும். அப்பாவி நாய்களே, இரக்கம் நமது மொழிதான். நீதி வேண்டும், நீதி வேண்டும், நீதி வேண்டும், நீதி வேண்டும்.
we want to protect the animals, and we don't want the killing to happen. And the more safer places to the way to sterilize them and slowly eradicate like that. Please don't kill the dogs. That's not a solution, right? Protect them or build some hostel where you can grow them, all that. Okay? Thank you. Seema Ramachandran. Thank you.
We are urging the government not to throw the dogs to the shelter. Shelter is not the solution. You have to just sterilize and vaccinate. We have to think of ways to control rabid dogs. Okay, that is what we have to do. Shelter is never a solution. We cannot confine any life. That's all. Thank you. Dr. Arbachina.
ஒவ்வொரு நாயும் காக்கப்படும் வரை எங்கள் குரல் ஒலித்திடும். எங்கள் குரல் ஒலித்திடும்.